your splendor above the Shamayim. Out of the mouth of children and infants you have founded strength because of your adversaries, to put an end to enemy and avenger. For I see your Shamayim, the work of your fingers, the moon and the stars which you have established. What is man that you remember him, and the Son of Man that you visit him? Yet you have made him little less than Elohim, and have crowned him with esteem and splendor. You made him rule over the works of your hands. You have put under his feet all sheep and oxen, and also the beasts of the field, the birds of the Shamayim, and the fish of the sea, passing through the paths of the sea.